Welcome to Sunrise Heights, a vibrant 55 and over active adult community in North Phoenix. Come on inside, let's take a look. Discover 1,350 square feet of stylish, comfortable living. This updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath home features a private kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a beautiful tile backsplash. The spacious primary suite offers a tile surround shower, while the second bedroom is perfect for guests or your home office. Step outside to peaceful greenbelt views and enjoy incredible community amenities including a pool and spa, tennis courts, fitness center, and media room. Call me today to schedule your private showing.